Hey guys, and welcome back to Shan's Life. So today I am doing a try-on haul, but today's try-on haul is I will be having my daughter rate my outfit. So all the pieces that you guys see today are also they're from Shein. So today is gonna be another Shein haul for you guys. Like I said, I love these try-on hauls, so let's get into this video. So this is actually my first outfit, so let's get my judge in, and she's gonna rate my outfit with 0 being no, 5 being, you know, borderline, and 10 being yeah, she love it. And you know, so it's just gonna be a try-on. This is not gonna be like a dress-up try-on haul. So if you guys would like to see more videos on me actually doing hauls with like comfy pieces and stuff like that, let me know, and definitely let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see on this channel, and let's grow as a family. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video you guys are the first to be notified. So let's get into this haul. Your girl is ready. I am feeling good and pumped. Okay, let's get into this haul. Okay, so this is the first piece, and it's a dress. Don't mind the back. So this is how it looks, and it's just a nice cute dress. So what do you think? Do you like it? The material's nice, color.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
7.5. So why the reason you give this outfit a 7.5?
The back is just not.
The back, why is it? Because of the bra?
No, it's just the cut of the back is just not it.
Oh, it's just not it. Okay,
and
so
I feel like if you had bigger tits, your boobies would probably pop out of the side.
if I had bigger tits, yeah, but
and it would like poke out, but it's still pretty.
Still pretty. All right. So fair enough. All right. So let me go. So she gave this a 7.5. Okay. So what do you think about this one? This is a cute PJ set. Well, it's not Christmas, but I had ordered this before, but I just didn't do it. So this is a cute PJ set for Christmas. Like it says, ho ho ho. So what do you think of the outfit?
An 8 out of 10.
Yeah, so you like this? Yeah? I think daddy would like this too. Yeah, zaddy, not even daddy, zaddy. Why are you looking at me?
My ready for bed.
Okay, so you get this 8 out of how much?
10.
8 out of 10. Okay, so like you say, an 8 out of 10. I'm sure that my zaddy would have given this probably a nice 10 out of 10, because I know he loves these fit. Alright guys, so this is just a cute piece, and all the size that I have in this video guys are a size medium. If you want, I could try and link all the all the actual outfits that I have in the description below. Okay, so this is the next outfit. As you see, I just got a nice silk shirt on with some shorts, whether board shorts, rip shorts, and this is just a nice summer look. So what would you give this outfit? And it's just the top alone that's from Shein. I just pair them with these shorts that I have. So what do you think of this fit?
8.
An 8?
Yeah, it's just casual.
Casual.
Nice.
Yeah.
And
So
look
where
good
do
with
you
that.
think you would wear something like this? Like to do, just run and do errands?
Or if I was going out for lunch with my friends.
Okay, yeah. So see, this is a great outfit to just go and sit, have some coffee, throw on some, you could actually dress it up, throw on some earrings, jewelry, a nice purse, some heels, and you could have like a nice like bar date type of thing, setting out for dinner type of setting, chill vibes. Or you could throw on some sandals and you can just run some errands with it. And you could also just wear this as a work shirt as well. I just choose to tie it up to just give it that little flair, but it's a nice dress. It's a nice black silk top, and hey, if you want to make it into a bed shirt, you could also do that as well. So this is the next outfit. This is a nice tie-dye crop top, and these, I love these type of fits. I find that they're very comfy. This one is the only one that's an actual large, because I just wanted to make sure. It's my first time ordering from Shein, so I just wanted to make sure that the stuff fit. So what would you give this outfit?
A 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Why you give this one a 9 out of 10?
Because it's just so easy to throw on.
Yes, and that's the other thing, guys. You love the two pieces. Two pieces are always the best. I love two pieces and I love dress. They're just easy to throw on and go. So that is the back, and that is what it looks like from the side and the front. And yeah, that is it. So she gave this one a 9 out of 10. This is the next fit. We got this nice gray two-piece suit. Like I told you, I love the suit. The material is good, and this is also a medium. It's a nice crop top, which I didn't know that they're going to be crop top. So make sure that you're reading the description before you guys end up buying. But I love it same way. This is something I could just wear in the house, chill. Or so what would you give this outfit?
8.9.
An 8.9.
Yeah.
Okay. And why you give this outfit an 8.9?
Because I mean, you can go on a coffee run in it.
Can we go for that? Can we go? Oh
I
gosh.
mean, it could be a 9 too.
All right. Okay, guys. So she gives this a.
9.
Oh, the twerking work, guys. It went for a 9. I love this outfit. This is something like you could just wear on the beach, vacation fit. It's just simple, wear around the house, lounge, and it's comfy. And it's good for summertime. So this is what I love about these fit. And you get to breeze out those armpits. So I love like material, and it's not a thick, and it's not thin, it's not see-through like that. So, but it's a good, and a material for this side, I find the materials, it's a hit and miss, but it's really good. So I ain't complaining. Your girl ain't complaining. So this is another long sleeve shirt, and I got some shorts, some cute shorts on. They are a little bit cheeky, so they're a whole lot cheeky. So let me just cover them up. They got rips at the time when hubby got them. So the shorts are not from from Shein, just the shirt is. So what do you think of this fit? And this is something nice. You just throw on a nice purse, either some heels, like I said, some sandals, and you're good to go. So what do you,
I mean, the shorts is cheeky, but it's cute.
yeah, but these shorts you could wear to the beach. Like this could be a beach fit too. Like, you know, you have your swimsuit underneath, you're going to the beach. This can wear. This is like the beach where I'm kind of going for.
Give it an 8.
So you give it an 8?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Not the best, but pretty cute.
Yeah, it's cute. And you could pair it, and I decided to pair it this way because there's different ways that you can style these shirts. And if you just want to go for something else, you can just tie this up like this. And there, you got another look. You know, got that almost like that cowboy girl look going on, but it's on a fleek. Yeah. So this is the next two-piece outfit. Like I said, guys, I love my two pieces, and I love like lounge wear, just something I could throw on, go grocery shopping or stuff, summer wear. So what do you guys think? What do you think? Do you like it?
I do. Especially the dragon.
The dragon. And what would you rate this outfit?
7.8.
A 7.8. All right, so far my highest is a 9, guys. Still aiming for that 10, but she gives this outfit a 7.8. What would you guys rate this outfit? Definitely let me know in the comments below which one is your best outfit and which one is your least favorite outfit as well. All right, guys, so this is a nice two-piece. Yes, you would think that it's a one-piece, but it's actually a two-piece frilled outfit. I seen it and I was like, oh, this looks nice. This is something you can wear, go out to dinner, a nice little party, you know, summer look. So what do you think of this?
A 10.
A 10? Yay, I got a 10. All right, so I got a 10 with this fit, and I was aiming for a 10, guys, and I got my 10. Yeah. All right, so what do you guys think of this outfit? Would you rate this a 10, or would you rate it like an 8 or 9? I know some people don't like the frill, but just think about it. You put on some accessory like this, get yourself a nice little purse, some heels, some gold accessories, and you're ready to go. And if you want to switch it up a little bit, you throw on a black blazer to make it more fancy, and some nice even nude heels, clear heels, and you're good to go, you know. And make sure that your makeup, your face is a bait, and yeah, you got yourself a nice fit. So I would definitely rate this a 10. Oh, and by the way guys, this little purse is also from Shein. All right, so I got this nice one-piece catwalk suit on. Yes, yes, yes. And this is also a medium. Get your money, girls, get your money up. All right, so this, it's a nice fit. I like it. What do you think? This is more summer house errand run type of suit for summer. An 8. So would this be something that you would wear?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And you see, if this wasn't here, you could also dress this up, like I said, a blazer. Girls, essential. And I'm going to do an essential video for you guys. Stay tuned for that. Like what some of the staple pieces you all need to have in your closet. Definitely stay tuned for that. Like a blazer, that's an essential staple piece. Okay, so here we got another 2-piece, but this time it is a tracksuit. So this, with some nice pair of running shoes, is good. The only thing I have to say about this, guys, is I just don't like here. It kind of bags in the front. Yeah, and
That's constantly pulling.
Yeah, I constantly have to either pull it up, or what I have to do is roll it over. And when I roll it over, then it folds. But that's the only problem that I have. But other than that, like, the material is really good. You can see the color, it's really good. And you know, it does show up your curves, and it's a nice fit. I don't have a problem with it, and this is good. This is a good winter outfit as well. If you're just going out, it's just something nice to throw on, especially in the fall, spring season. So what do you think about this fit?
8.8.
An 8.8. Okay, what do you like about the suit, and what do you not like about it?
I don't like this.
Oh, you don't like the... I got the pouch, the kangaroo pouch. Okay, so this is the last piece, guys, as this is a nice wine color 2-piece crop top, but I kept my bra on, and like I said, it's a crop top 2-piece shorts, but this is great for summer. And if you girls got cake at the back, it is a little bit cheeky, so if you want to get a size up. But for me, I'm not really too much to show my stomach and stuff, so I pulled it up. But other than that, like, I love it. This is something I would wear, well, in the house. Not outside. In the house, but you can wear it outside, you know, for those girls with those nice slim skinny girls body that young and fresh and want to wear it outside. Definitely you could wear it outside, but for me, I would wear it in my yard. It's just something cute. Or you could change, put on the tights with this, still good to go. And yeah, so what do you give this outfit? It is the next one.
9.5, because I love the tube top.
9.5. All right.
The butterflies on the tube top.
Oh, the butterflies. So she gives this outfit a 9.5. This is the second highest outfit that she's rated. And I would just like to say, yeah, what do you guys think of the outfit? Do you like it? Is it for you, not for you? So I'd just like to say thank you guys for watching this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, guys. And for more videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know, what outfit do you guys find that you like the best? What would you wear? What would you not wear? Let's communicate in the comments below. Yes, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. And for more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see, what other clothing hauls you guys would like to see. And yeah, what outfits that would you guys to see? If you like some lookbooks, definitely let me know. I have some ideas in mind of things that I want to do for you guys. So, and I would just like to say thank you to my lovely daughter today for being my judge and rating her mother's outfit. Yeah, so stay tuned, because I have a haul coming up where my husband rates my outfit, and y'all don't want to miss that one. I'm telling you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.